How to install Serum Wavetables in FL Studio. To install Serum Wavetables in FL Studio, first open Serum. Then go to Menu and go to Show Serum Presets folder. Then go into the Tables folder. There's a user folder you can put your wavetables in, but you can put them in any of these folders if you prefer. I prefer to be organized, so I'm going to save my wavetables into the user folder and make a free and premium folder. The wavetables I'm installing in this video are ones I've paid for, so I'll put them into the premium folder. Navigate to wherever you've downloaded your wavetables and copy them. Then paste them into the Serum folder you were just in. Make sure you extract them if they're compressed before copying them. Now head back to Serum and go to Menu, Rescan Folders on Disk. Serum should update and you should see the wavetables you've just installed. And that's how to install Serum Wavetables in FL Studio.